Kargo raman eh. Ikan Tacloban. Tacloban pa mo. Sahab. International man mo. Carrier lamang ma'am. Gi pa kuan laman dire. Yung pas pinasadya dito sayo. Pataga Tacloban ma'am, waray-waray man ma'am.
Isa mo rin nag-order yan, ha?
Kargo man ma'am.
Kargo doon, magkuhan ko ikuan, kargo. Talig masahit mo, deliver.
Inara, hermano.
Oh.
Oh, mo na.
What?
Bato Leyte. Kanan del Pilar Street man eh. Dire no?
Oh, isa ka na, oy, dinuwa ko yan na.
Alasa. Paano naman wala man baydanan eh. Wala baydanan mo.
And with that, the 2023 season is to an end. Good night.
Surprises and gifts delivery. Looking for a perfect surprise gift for your loved ones? Look, now we do Van Trunk Surprise. We just don't deliver gifts, we deliver memories. We deliver anywhere in Leyte and Samar. Surprises and gifts delivery.
Hello guys, good morning everyone, and we are here at Bato Leyte para surpresa si Mama Hinara sa kanyang karawan today. And ayun, 63rd birthday nga pala ni Mama Hinara today, and maraming salamat po kay Ma'am Karen for choosing surprise and gift delivery for being a part of your mother's birthday celebration surprise. At ito po yung early morning surprise niya para sa kanyang minamahal na ina. All blue nga po pala yung team natin as per customers request. And of course, ang ating blue na fresh flower. And of course, ang ating pagkain, meron tayong pansit, meron tayong assorted kakanin, and of course, ang ating cordon bleu, and of course, ang ating customized cake para sa ating dear celebrant. So yun, samahan niyo po kami dito guys sa Bato Leyte para surprise si Mama Hinara sa kanyang karawan today. At ayun, tumalay sa kung pa-surprise sa kanilang mga sa buhay dito sa Leyte and Samar. Just contact surprises and gift delivery, at kami na pong bahalang mag-surprise sa mga naiwan niyo dito. At ayun, siguradong 100% sure po kayo na nasa mabuting kamay at legit po yung papadala nyo. Ay tumawag lamang po kayo sa amin bago po kayo magpadala, at make sure po na legit, and tigisa lang po yung page namin, at ayun po yung surprise and gift delivery, car rent, main, and ayun, thank you so much again everyone. God bless, keep safe, and peace out.
So come with me and share the view. I'll help you see forever too. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. You ought to know by now how much I love you. One thing you can be sure of, I'll never ask for more than your love.
Ma'am Hinara, hermano po.
What?
Ma'am, na delivery ma'am nga cargo. Oo. Cargo raman eh. Ikan Tacloban. Tacloban pa mo. Sahab. International man ma'am. Carrier lamang ma'am. Gi pa kuan laman dire. Pinasadya dito sayo. Pataga Tacloban ma'am, waray-waray man ma'am.
Isa mo rin nag-order yan, ha?
Cargo man ma'am.
Kargo doon, magkuhan ko ikuan, kargo. Oy, talig masahit mo, deliver.
Oh, mo man eh. Hinara, hermano.
Oh.
Oh, mo na. Bato Leyte. Kanan del Pilar Street man eh. Dire no?
Isa ka na, oy, dinuwa wa kuya na oy, wa mi anin mo. Oy, iskan man na oy, diluwa wa kuya na oy, wa mi anin mo. Abot kari ah.
Gi kon lamang mi gisugo lamang eh.
Sugo.
Basin kita nasa. Pa naman wala man baydanan ni. Wala baydanan no. Kita lang. Para makatuka ngayon mo ma'am. Na may kuan nga. Tapos magkuha lang yung litrato nimo. Wala naman baydanan nani.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, ma'am!
Thank you for teaching me how to love.
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday.
Sorry po, na-prank. Ayan, happy birthday. Sa prank, ma'am. Happy birthday. So, dito ka, ma'am. So, ayan, from Surprise and Gift Delivery. From Tacloban po kami. May nag-contact po na sender natin na si Ma'am Karen. Asan si Ma'am Karen? So, ayan, may message po dito ang ating sender kasi gusto niyang mapasaya ka sa araw na ito, ma'am. So, ayan, may message dito. Happy birthday, ma. Ma, even if we don't get to spend a lot of occasions together, kay naami sa layo, please know nga, wala gud ka na mo kalimti. You are always in our hearts and in our prayers every single day. Bisan layo ang distance, our love for you will never change. Thank you kaayo sa tanan nimong sacrifices sa imong unconditional love ug sa pagpadako nimo nga puno sa gugma ug values. Everything we are today is because of you. We may not always be there to celebrate with you, but we are always thinking of you and wishing you happiness. Hinaot unta nga katagan pa ka og good health, long life, and more beautiful birthdays to come. We miss you and we love you so much, ma. Always and forever. Love, Karen. So may message pa dito yung isang sender from Matt. Aloha tita, Karen. Think she might get some time off of work sometime later this year. If so, we can come visit you on my next trip to the Philippines. I hope you enjoy the birthday snacks and flowers. Karen misses you so much. We think of you often. Happy birthday! So, ayan. Nakulbaan ka, ma'am. Prank lang yun, ma'am. So, ayan, ito na po yung seminar mo. Ngayon, ma'am, ikaw naman yung magme-message po para sa ating seminar. Ano yung mensahe mo po para sa kanya?
Dagang salamat dai sa imong gipad. Dagang salamat. And you, Matt, thank you so much. You're helping me, my family. Thank you so much. And Karen, dagang salamat dai sa tanang gihatag nimo nako nga pagtabang. Salamat ay.
Ayan, thank you so much po. Anong edit po ba? Dito ka sir. So, alam mo din na may pa-surprise pala si kapatid mo. So, ayan, ano yung message mo para kanyo?
Hey, good health na lang. Happy birthday. Alam ko lang yung message.
So, ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. So, ay mag-bloom muna tayo ng cake mo, ma'am. Mag-back out na si ma'am kanina. Sasara na ni ma'am yung cake. Okay. Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sige, ma, wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy
Hey, happy birthday! Masaya ka ba man sa surprise nila, ma'am, para sa'yo? Happy, ma'am, happy. Happy na kinulba. Kinabahan talaga si ma'am. Okay, sige, mag-picture lang po tayo at saka yung anak mo. Yan, thank you so much, ma'am, Karen, for choosing surprises and gift delivery. Happy po ang ating celebrant at kinabahan po na. So, thank you so much, ma'am. Happy birthday. Mag-picture. So, yan,
Thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks